Damn, the cantaloupe's gone completely. Out here shooting. Just having a little shoot sesh.
Gotta pop Brandon over there.
Yeah. Put my glasses on.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
God damn.
Alright. Alright. Oh no. There we go. There we go.
God damn. We're on fire. Oh fuck.
Oh fuck.
Safety. It's weird.
Yeah.
Oh, the fucking.
You're fucking.
My magazine broke? The fuck?
He's got a single load them bitches now. Did it snap? What the fuck happened? Your fucking spring. There it goes.
That's some bullshit right there.
Oh shit, that'll get a man hard.
Booyah. I hit it? It moved a little, didn't it?
There you go.
Did I break it?
No. He's clear.
The last one. Fuck. Get in there, bitch.
Gun.
Oh yeah, damn straight. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me get rid of this shirt. I need to change. Whoa. Get the camera off me, goddammit. I got the work shirt on.
Yo, not even in the car yet.
Dirty, dirty.
Fucking gets back to the shirt. So boys, right now, the wind's probably shitty as fuck right now, but right now, we're gonna eat some pumpkins, and we pretty much got some tannerite. We're gonna blow this, we're gonna shoot a 5.56, blow that bitch to smithereens with that tannerite inside that pumpkin. Homemade glory hole jack-o'-lantern, that's what we're calling I was like, we can just be back in like 10 minutes.
Yeah, I was about to make sure it's my you grab family size.
Family size? Yeah.
Family size condoms.
Is that a family size waistline?
What's up?
Trump's coming.
And is actually retained.
Maybe push it in the car. Sounded a little weak. Went to the I think you should straight book your car. It's very enjoyable.
What do you do?
I guess I might as well go out that way, right?
What'd you call for?
The Patagonia hat's coming off. It's serious. How many rounds?
Just 30 round bags.
Lower, I think.
You shoot high.
Nah, I'm aimed right on that fucking pumpkin.
Oh shit.
Fired.
Shit, here we go.
We're fucking live, gentlemen.
Yeah. And then down is fire. You're live.
Okay. You guys ready?
Here.
Oh my god.
Shit. Shit.
Come on, Cam.
Where am I hitting, low or high?
Hi.
Oh, shit!
First try.
Oh, fuck, dude! Holy shit!
Oh my god!
That one, I heard I felt the wind on me.
Hold on. Yeah.
Alright, I'm stepping back.
Where'd I hit?
I don't know.
Pumpkin
Just
high.
You almost hit Cam.
Oh, left.
Fuck!
That was fucking serious.
Oh my god.
And I got that on video.
You could invest it.
all right, boys. So this camera might die, but this is all that's left.
Christ.
So we shot like 4 or 5 pumpkins. We put 3 pumpkins in a row. Fucking blown up. There's nothing left of pumpkins. No pumpkins. I think that's a chunk all the way out there. But look at this crater. That's like half a foot crater in the ground right now. The camera doesn't really show it, but
That's not half a foot.
hey. we round up. We round up 6 inches, alright? But holy shit, there's pumpkin out there. Fucking all the way back. There's pumpkin like 50, 60 yards away. This is wild. We got one more left. I don't know what video we're gonna put that in.
Oh, this is a
But
pumpkin.
fuck.
This is a piece of the plastic like,
Yeah.
container.
Yeah. But fuck, boys, that was fun. We're gonna do that again someday. We got Gordon Josh.
Gordon Josh.
We probably cook those first since they take longer.
But yeah, these ones are gonna
Josh
take the
Ramsay.
longest because it's not
This brisket.
it's brisket.
Josh
And they're, those
Is it bad
that's-
to leave these out here in the flies and shit?
Maybe fine.
Get it on there.
Hold on.
Water again.
Oh,
Damn. That was
Gordon,
sweet, bro.
Gordon Josh. The motherfuckers arrived.
yeah.
This is that Top Gun kind
You
of
got the
motherfucker.
fillet? Why am I Top Gun?
This is our tomahawk steak, Sean.
Very nice.
The peasants version.
Can I say
Cheers.
something really
No?
sad? Oh, sorry.
Please.
Honestly, if you one day were gay, I wouldn't be surprised.
What the fuck?
Why is it sad?
Hey.
Cole, he's recording.
Hey, that was an insult.
That was not an insult.
What is that? I don't think that did anything.
I think it's like attached inside the box. Yeah, it is.
Shh. Looks fancy. Oh shit. What the fuck? They gave me this gay ass one. And I don't have a case for this yet. Boys, so I just got the iPhone 14. I'm testing out the fucking camera because I want to see if I can make videos with it. If I don't have the big camera with me, or it's even worth taking the big camera with me fishing. I'm trying to see the audio and everything like that. To say anything about this yet, I'm not a fucking technology channel. I don't really give two shits about it, to be honest. But yeah, so this will be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed us blowing some shit up, getting a new iPhone. Yeah, see you guys on Wednesday with the next upload. Hopefully it's a fishing video, but we have another heat wave coming, which is gonna be ass, high 90s, high 80s and high 90s all this week, and hopefully it drops down to like the 70s for a few weeks for the fall. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you boys on Wednesday.